It's planting season, and I have abundance of Ampalaya leaves. I've got to use them. I'm cooking soup today. Yes, it's Tinola. And instead of chili leaves, I'm using Ampalaya leaves. It may be a simple dish, but it's a special day for me. The inauguration of my little kitchen here at the new site. Join me here in Channel 1 for some learning and fun. Let's bring this to my man and Grace, Alex, and our mainstays. The ingredients are nothing different from the classic tinola that we know: ginger, onion, and garlic, plus chicken on the bone. Ideally, soup chicken, but it's not available today. That's why, as an option, I use chicken thigh, which is on the bone, and this should work. It will not have the full flavor of chicken, that's why I'll be adding flavor enhancer. Chicken cube or powder. This for today, promise. I usually use soup chicken. I learned this way of peeling ginger from Nigella Lawson. Just use a teaspoon. And just smash it. You don't need to slice it. It can be easily removed from the soup if desired. Garlic, just 3. Finely chopped, recommended. One thing very important, onion. You can leave out the garlic, but onion not. And at a glance, here are the ingredients, plus the patis in there. Let's start. Until it's aromatic, then the onion. I feel like playing music, there's not much to say. Then, when it's translucent, add the garlic. Don't wait until it gets brown. Let's add some enhancer. At this point, yes, it makes a difference. Add some of the flavor enhancer in the sauté. Now, the chicken. And when it's no longer pink, add drops of patis. Believe me, it makes a difference as well. The patis and the flavor enhancer in the sauté. Now water and more of the needed flavor enhancer. I'm using here chicken powder. It's Knorr if you're curious. We have to resume at the garden. I will prepare the ampalayas there. Now we can resume our cooking. By the way, this is our inaugural cooking. Inaugural cooking of the kitchen. Remember, there was not enough water, so let's add more water now. Basta dodelen. Remember that we harvested this early this morning. The plan was to cook from home or completely at home, but I thought of adding it here just to get that immersive cooking experience. I need a basin. We still need to get accustomed with the angles in the kitchen, in this new kitchen. Where's the best angle? Perhaps you can do it here. Why not? Yeah. Awkward, but no choice. It's a bit windy. You know, I have an Indian colleague. I told her yesterday that I'll be cooking today chicken soup with Karela leaves. In India, Ampalaya is called Karela. And she was surprised. She thought that I was experimenting. I told her this is a standard. No, almost not a standard, by the way. We use everything similar to spinach for chicken soup. I told her we do this in the Philippines. But in the north, where we love bitter flavor, some households use this also. Ampalaya leaves.
Is overweldig.
I don't have a ladle. Perfect. And then to wash the ampalayas, they're fresh. And they're protected from the dust because they are inside the polytunnel. Or not a polytunnel, but a greenhouse. My man and Grace will be delighted, I'm sure. And Alex as well, our mainstays. And our cameraman. I hope you will be delighted as well and be inspired and get inspired to make this at home.
Paria, naghihimas.
En nog een beetje groen over, of niet?
Groene? Oh, tignan mo. Kita man, kaya mo gayam
Dat is
dapat.
lekker. Hè?
Oh, is lekker ka no, labang ka. With more ampalaya. Yeah. Welcome to the club.
Because this is a Kuya may designer for South.
Yes. Nagsermon ni Manang. Okay, amen.